Hello, this is Teacher Mel, and welcome to the English class. So before we do our lesson, let's have first the vocabulary of the day. Okay, the vocabulary of today is people. People. Let's spell together. P E O P L E People. One more time. P E O P L E People. Can you say it? People. And its meaning, it is human being, like us. The men, the women, and children. Community or groups. Okay, again, it is human being like us. The men, women, children, community or groups. And the example sentence, we can say, we are people. You are people. He is. She is. They are people. Okay, so we are people. Now it's time for our English class with Teacher Mel. So for today, we are talking about comparing people. From the previous lesson, we do comparing animals. But this time, it's about comparing people. Okay? So we have set of vocabularies or words to compare different people. So are you ready? Okay, let's start. To start with, let's have first the set of vocabulary. So we have this vocabulary. Tall, old, short, young. Again, tall, old, short, young. And now to compare two people, we are going to use the comparative. So remember, comparative, we add the word with ER, okay? So words that will describe the people and ER. So that is comparative. When we describe two people. Okay, so tall, it will be taller. Old, it will be older. Short, shorter. Young, younger. One more time. Tall, taller. Old, older. Short, shorter. Young, younger. Very good. Now, for comparing more than two people, we are going to use the superlative. So we are going to add the adjective words or the comparing words with EST, and that is superlative. Like this example, tall, taller, tallest. Old, older, oldest. Short, shorter, shortest. Young, younger, youngest. Okay, let's repeat. Tall, taller, tallest. Old, older, oldest. Short, shorter, shortest. Young, younger, youngest. Okay, it's very easy, right? Do not forget it is comparative and superlative. Now that you know the vocabulary words, let's proceed to the sentence structure. So, before we have the sentence structure, do not forget the comparative and the superlative. These words to compare people or animals or things. But for today, we are going to compare people, okay? Human being. So, let's have 3 pictures. So, we have 3 girls. So, we have Lisa, Mary, and Belle. Okay, look at the pictures. We have Lisa, Mary, and Belle. Okay, examine the picture. So, look at Lisa. Lisa is tall. Okay? Lisa is tall. And look at Mary. Mary is taller than Lisa. Okay? Look at Mary. Mary is taller than Lisa. Now look at Belle. Belle is the tallest of them all. Okay? So Belle is the tallest among the 3 girls. Okay? So look at the pictures. So we have Lisa, Mary, and Belle. Now look at Lisa. So Lisa is tall. Mary is taller than Lisa. And then Belle is the tallest among the 3 girls. Okay, so that is how we compare people. So we compare using comparative and the superlative. Okay? We have another example. So we have James, Dan, and Adam. Okay? We have James, Dan, and Adam. Now I want you to observe the pictures. Alright, so we can say or we make sentence using the comparative and the superlative. So we say James is young. Look at James. James is young. Dan is younger than James. Look at Dan. Dan is younger than James. And now look at Adam. Adam is the youngest among the 3 boys. Okay? Or we say Adam is the youngest of them all. Alright, so there are 3 boys, so we say James is young. Dan is younger than James. Dan is younger than James. Adam is the youngest of them all. Easy, right? So these are the examples of sentence structure. So for the sentence structure, we are going to use the name of the people or a person plus the word that will describe them. Okay? And the words that we are going to compare them. So like example, James is young. So in this is the pattern. We have the name of a person, is, and then the word that will describe them. And then when we are going to compare two people, so we put like this. So Dan is younger. So we add the word with ER, younger, and then do not forget than. Younger than James. Okay, so James is being compared from Don. Okay, Don is younger than James. So this is an example sentence for comparative. And then for the superlative, we say Adam is the youngest of them all. So meaning, among the three boys, Adam is the youngest. So we use the young plus EST, and that is superlative. So Adam is the youngest of them all. Okay, so it's really easy. The sentence pattern is really easy. Just name of the person plus the word that we are going to describe them. And if we compare them, we use the superlative and the comparative. Alright? Okay, so it's very easy, right? So the sentence pattern, we already know the words and the sentence patterns. Now let's have a short assessment. So I want you to observe the table shown. Okay, so we have Anne, Anna, and Annie. So these three girls are being compared to each other. So we have old, older, oldest. And we have tall, taller, tallest. Okay, so we have two words and their comparative and superlative. So you are going to complete the sentence below. Okay, so we have number 1. Anne is blank and blank than Anna. Okay, Anne is blank and blank than Anna. Okay, number 2, we have Annie is the blank and the blank. Okay, Annie is the blank and the blank. So it's really easy. I want you to answer these two questions or exercises, and then after you've answered, you can comment on the comment section so that I can check that you have watched the video. And also for your homework, I want you to open your book, please. Your student book, this book. You're going to answer page 58. I want you to answer your book on page 58. Okay? Page 58. So, once you're done watching this, open your student book and answer your book on page 58 and then send to me directly. Thank you so much, and that is the end of our lesson for today. Have a nice day and keep safe, everyone. Goodbye.